I'm Gerald. I work at Leader Brand Pukekohe and I'm a crop production manager here.
Boss man.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Divya, Health and Safety Manager of Tasty Products.
I'm Claire Tran from Endless Metals and I'm the Health and Safety Advisor.
My name's Dennis Tatu. I work for ETEL Limited and my role at ETEL is Health and Safety Lead.
The opposite of Dennis the Menace.
Actually, that's what I'm known for.
The Puataunofo program allows us to engage with our workers in a different way.
Definitely recommend it to other organisations because they understand the culture and they understand the Pacific people.
I recommend it, yes, because we can see our workers are really positive about work and safety now.
Health and safety is really important at Endless Metals because without our people, we have no business.
Endless Metals, more like endless safety.
Health and safety is extremely important to our organisation. We want all of our staff to go home safe every day.
We provide all the courses, the trainings and the programs like Puataunofo, just to ensure that everybody comes to work safe and goes home safe.
Woohoo! That's what it's all about.
Yep.
We went from having very few health and safety reps to more people wanting to be the voice of their co-workers. We've also had lots of hazards and near misses being raised more, so it's really had a good impact.
When we did the first session with Puataunofo, it was a great baseline for us to start on our safety journey. And after that, we saw a lot more engagement within our internal training, a lot more conversations are happening.
Super amazing.
That's one of the reasons why I went into health and safety is to make sure that they're comfortable and, you know, that they're able to speak up. But yeah, definitely recommend the program and it'll reinforce it and realign it with any other programs that any other company runs. Yeah, so definitely a good program.
Warm Pacific greetings to all.
Lava lava.
Malolele.
My name is Mr. Lava Lava.
Puataunofo program reputation precedes itself. I've worked at previous organisations and employees still remember it after 5 years.
We have a diverse workforce and we always welcome new people.
Help your workforce come home safely. Go to the WorkSafe website to request a Puataunofo workshop today.